How was telescope invented? The telescope was not the invention of scientists, rather, it was the product of craftsmen. The earliest known working telescopes appeared in 1608. The design of these early refracting telescopes consisted of a convex objective lens and a concave eyepiece. Among many claimants, a German-Dutch spectacle maker named Hans Lippershey was the first on record to have applied for a patent for the device. In the following years, the Italian polymath, Galileo Galilei constructed his own design and improved it from 3 times to 20 times magnification. In 1611, Johannes Kepler, a German astronomer, described how a telescope could be made with a convex objective lens and a convex eyepiece lens. By 1655, astronomers such as Christian Huygens were building powerful but unwieldy Keplerian telescopes with compound eyepieces. In 1668, the English scientist, Isaac Newton built the first practical reflecting telescope and developed a theory of color based on the observation that a prism decomposes white light into the many colors of the visible spectrum. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.